how to enable or disable fast wireless charging on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. So you will see battery is here, so click on battery. Now here, scroll down and click on charging settings. So after click on charging settings, so if you want to enable or disable wireless fast charging, so you will see fast wireless charging is here. So if you want to disable fast wireless charging, so turn off this button. You will see fast wireless charging is disabled. So if you want to enable fast wireless charging, so turn on this button, you will see fast wireless charging is enabled. So you will enable or disable fast wireless charging from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable fast wireless charging on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.